Hey lovely people, welcome and welcome back on my channel. I hope you guys all doing well. In today's video I will be sharing my review on an eyebrow kit. So let's get into it. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so go and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So today's video is all about an eyebrow review which I am using it about 1 year, and this is very amazing and affordable product which is available in our market, so you can also grab this. And if you love to enhance your eyebrows in affordable quantity, I bought this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit which I am using about 1 year, and this is very nice and ultimate brow kits. You can see here this has 3 segments, and you get a tweezer or plug, eyebrow plug tool, and you will get a tangled brush which is very amazing and very high quality brush you will get, but this is very tiny little brush, so I did not use this brush because this is very tiny and little, but you can use it. This is not really very nice, very little. I have already this long brush or a big brush, so I use this instead of this. So you can see here I have used a lot this. So you will get a lighter color, brown type of color, light brown color of shade this, and you get ash brown color. You will get ash brown. This palette name is ash brown palette, so you will not get getting a black or gray color. You will get a ash brown color and a brown, light brown color like sand color. You will get sand color, and there is a wax for setting wax. You already know what is setting wax work. If you don't know what is setting work do, so I will tell you how this is work. And this wax is used for to straight your hairs. Some people have very soft, tiny and very light eyebrow hairs, so they use this and straight their eyebrow hairs and then fill and enhance their eyebrows. So this is for that. And this is very tiny and little packaging, and there you will get a little tiny mirror in this side, like this left side. You just pulled it and you will get a mirror here. So this little mirror and a tangled brush and a tool for hair that you plug your hair very easily. I do not use this because I never thread or plug my eyebrows, so this is not useful for me, but who love somebody who love doing this, so they will very grateful for this. They are giving you a tool. So this is pigmented as well. You can see here this is pigmented, but like a powdery. When you smudge, and this will be gone. So this is not so pigmented. This is like powder based pigment, and this one is also powder based pigment. You can see here ash brown color. And now I will show you how to enhance your eyebrow. I'm taking this brush, and this side I am applying a darker color. I am applying this darker color and making a shape. And a lighter color, taking this lighter color, and so now you can see the difference of this eyebrow and this eyebrow. This is completely different and light and not so filled. So you can see this side is fuller than this. So what this is the work of this palette does, and this is very nice and affordable also. This original price is this eyebrow original price is $399, but I get I think about 200, something from Nykaa. I placed order on Nykaa, and this is my review on it. This is not for professionals because this will not stick all day, because this is powdery shadow enhancer. So you can see here, I love liquidy or gel liquidy type of eyebrow enhancer, so that will about 2 to 3 hours. If you are a beginner and wanted to enhance your eyebrows, so you can definitely go with this. This is from 200, about 200, about you will get it from Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart, wherever you wanted to buy. This palette name is Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. This is very affordable and for beginners, for everyone who loves eyebrow enhancer. No, but if you are a professional makeup artist or something else, like in this field, if you are in this field, then you will definitely definitely buy a good product instead of this, because this is not perfect for a brides. So this is very nice. If you like my today's video, subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.